Hey guys, so I did a picture a while ago. Right now I'm just trying to do outlines instead of like doing all random stuff. As I think I mentioned in my last video. So there's a little drawing I did. Pretty simple. Just gonna outline it, no colouring in today. Enjoy. Sorry, I forgot to get my gloves on.
He's singing, and she's there in the hand. He's seen his name on the marquee, but she will never understand.
Hey guys, I got it this kind of annoys me. This pen is shit. Never buy one of these. Don't even know what it says. It's fucking Japanese. You know what that says anyway, tell me. It came with tattoo kit. Rubbed off the customized on the tattoo. On the background. Whatever you fucking tattoo. So it's not good. So I'll show you.
It's hard to beat her, but she knows I'm feeling is gone. She's not the only one admitting there's something wrong. Her lover's in the distance as she wipes a tear from her eye. Love is fading out, she disappears, it's time to say goodbye. Destination. Soho, Ruby, 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 Soho, Ruby, 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 Soho, Ruby, Ruby, Ruby.